Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah, and today we're doing Flexi Rods. It's the night before Thanksgiving, and yeah, I really wanted some curls, and this time I'm doing it differently. I'm using a different technique, so definitely stay tuned if you're looking to find ways to curl your locks really easily and very cute. So starting off, I'm spraying all my hair with rose water. I do go through in each section when I'm working on it, add a little more water, like regular water, to my hair, but I do spray my whole head with rose water at first. And rose water is just really good for moisturizing your locks, but that's the first thing I'm doing. Next, I'm separating my hair because it is time to get to curling my hair, and I realized I didn't have any mousse, so I ended up picking up the Creme of Nature Argan oil one, and I love this. My hair wasn't crunchy at all, and I put this on each section as I did my hair. In here, I'm showing you guys, I literally did the whole bottom, like a couple rows, and realized I didn't really like the technique I was using. It didn't feel natural, so boom, I ended up doing this where I tuck the ends and then I roll it backward first straight, and then I flip it up in a what is it called, a vertical direction, and roll it. Now I will say some of these I rolled back, some of them I rolled forward. I'm not picky about the direction of my curls. I do want to try one where all of them are in the same direction, but it was already late at night, so I was just trying to get the hair curled up and going. And yeah, this is me doing them. You're going to see me do a couple different ones. So I work section by section because it feels, I don't know, it makes it seem less daunting in my mind.
At least you can stay for as long as you care, babe. As long as you wanna, everything's in the air. Things in the air. I don't wanna see you no more, 'cause every time I see it, it's a different excuse why you can't be it. I don't wanna be it no more, 'cause I feel like I'm wasting time being too emotional. I'm not your option, I'm not your baby. Hear what I'm dropping, it's driving you crazy. We ain't.
Alright, boom. So this is the section we're about to work on next. I'm going to put it all in the water because it dried out. So after I sprayed down my hair, I had to go run and get mousse because I could not find mine, which is why I got the Creme of Nature Argan Oil one. But what I need to do is I'm about to just put a little bit of water on my hands, pull it through, then put the mousse and keep going. And I need me some wine, so hold up. I'm not a white wine girl, but at least it makes me sip it, so back to the hair. Everything's bright and nothing. Everything's in the air. Everything's in the air. What are the odds I got 4 packs of these, which actually bend 4 packs of these? What the hell am I going to do with this? No! The good thing is I've just enough of these to at least get this whole section done and probably the top, but if not, I'm gonna use my blue rollers at the top, unfortunately. But we gotta do what we gotta do.
But I don't. My makeup's not smearing down my face. Well, just when you go under, don't squint real hard. Just gracefully, like what am I supposed to do?
Everything's in the air. Everything's in the air, yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything's in the air, yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything's in the air. I'm gonna make you surrender, baby.
Oh.
Your skin look good.
Yours too. You look like a little chocolate kid. Someone else or not, 'cause I wanna keep you
Alright you guys, so it's makeup time. You're seeing me put on my e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer, I think is what it's called. I am no makeup artist, but if you guys want to see my full detailed tutorial of how I do my makeup now, because I didn't get to record everything, let me know and I will definitely drop a video letting y'all know what I do, what I use. And yeah, but this is me just doing my makeup and getting right for Thanksgiving. After this, I'm going to show you guys me taking out my actual rollers, how they look before I style it, and the cute style at the end.
Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath.
This is the best part of the whole song.
Falling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run, I run, I run. Catch my breath. Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run, I run, I run. Falling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run, I run. Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run, I run, I run. Falling deeper, I cannot confess. I can't catch my breath. Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath.
I think if I put this up right here in a ponytail, it's definitely going to give what it needs to give. And I could do my nice little lippy. It's going to give a little auntie, but I'll come back when I figure out what I'm going to do with my hair.